Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Um, Today, I would like to show you a way to export the data that you can obtain from uh, a result or an output from a pushover analysis. And okay, here I have prepared my ETABS project. This is as always, this is a reinforced concrete frame in which I am doing a pushover analysis. I'm not going to enter into details in how I get all the process, how I go through all the process in order to get the analysis. But the purpose of this tutorial is to show you a little bit how can you export the only that the export the data obtained from the pushover analysis, for instance in a hinge report, in a hinge response from a determined elements. It can be a column or a bins. So for this case also you can obtain the target displacement, okay, the capacity curve in green colors, and then the demand forces, as it is the spectrum demand. So here are two graphics that you can see. As you can see, in one graphics we have the hinges report or the hinge graph for each element, and here we have the pushover capacity demand for all the structures. So in order to get a report table from this curve that is being transformed right now, the capacity curve, we can show the table. Click here, over here, and show the table, and we can choose either for formatted table or unformatted table. I don't know what is the difference. Maybe is that this one can show more decimals, number decimals, and here you can show less number decimal, but the outcome is the same. So I can press over here, and here are all the steps. As you can see here, the ETABS software can show you all the steps that are obtained in the pushover analysis. So this is a trick. You can't push over this little icon that is for EQLS format exporting file. So we press over here, and an automatic Excel spreadsheet can appear. So here we have the automatic spreadsheet created for this purpose, or this table. We get this data, the spectral displacement, okay, the horizontal axis, and this is the vertical axis, the spectral acceleration. And here we have the period. Okay, these two values, or these two numbers are for the first. This column is for the non-transformed curve capacity, but when we are transforming the curve capacity, we have this value, the spectral displacement. From period we can transform the spectral displacement to this, so this value. So the Euro code, it depends on which code you are. I suppose, I don't know, but it depends, I suppose, on which code you are working on, because I suppose that each code is working a different formula. I don't know, but in my case, I am working with Eurocode 8. So this is this graph, that is the curve capacity demand, and then we can choose from column in this graph and beams. So the frame type element, and here we can choose the hinges also. So anyway, we can pass to get the table, formatted table as always, and here we obtain this table for each step on the hinge. So we press again over this icon and we obtain another Excel data informations in which we have the axial load that is arriving at that element, the displacement, the moment, the rotations, and other data indicating the the ramification or yes the ramification that is going through in the through the steps in the analysis. For instance, we can press over here and we can the graph can show us every steps. And that's it for this video, and I hope that can be of great use for you or great information. Thank you so much, and see you next. And remember to follow me and to hit the button to follow me and to like the video in order you can support me to bring more videos like this. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Jesus love you. Amen.